Welcome to Fantastic Vision. Please subscribe us before you watch today's video. If you always watch our channel, you may know that the news of the US ban on Chinese semiconductor chip manufacturing is a very complex process, and different semiconductor equipment is used in each step, covering wafer cutting, photolithography, etching, thin film deposition, ion implantation, etc. China still has a lot of room for improvement in lithography machines, but in terms of wafer cutting, Chinese companies have heard good news that they have broken through high-end wafer laser cutting equipment and achieved 100% localization of core components. What kind of breakthrough is this? What does it mean for Chinese semiconductors? Chips play a vital role in modern technology and the information age. It is a central building block of electronic devices for storing and processing data. Almost all electronic products, including mobile phones, computers, cars, home appliances, etc., need chips to run and realize their functions. So how was the chip born? This involves a very complex industrial chain link, roughly divided into three areas: design, manufacturing, and packaging and testing. China has an industry-leading level in design and packaging and testing, and only in manufacturing still needs to continue to develop. The fabrication steps are typically implemented using semiconductor processes. This involves converting circuit diagrams into physical structures and using process steps such as photolithography and etching on silicon wafers to form circuits. These steps require highly precise equipment and techniques to ensure the accuracy and quality of the circuit. Before the actual manufacturing steps can be performed, wafers need to be obtained. The so-called wafer is the mother body of the chip, which is usually made of high-purity single-crystal silicon material. The wafer is the basis of chip manufacturing, on which various integrated circuits and other microelectronic devices can be manufactured. However, obtaining wafers is not an easy task. It is necessary to use professional cutting tools to cut the monocrystalline silicon cylinder into 12-inch, 8-inch or smaller wafer silicon wafers. This is a step that must be guaranteed before making chips. Only with the matrix can there be chips. Traditional mechanical cutting and laser cutting are prone to thermal impact and edge chipping, resulting in a decline in chip quality. Therefore, in the wafer dicing process, it is necessary to ensure the precision and surface quality of the dicing. Regarding this point, the domestic manufacturer Huagong Technology has received good news, saying that it has successfully manufactured the first high-end wafer laser cutting equipment in China, and the localization rate of core components has reached 100%. After upgrading the wafer dicing technology, the thermal impact is reduced to 0, the edge chipping size is controlled within 5 microns, and the cutting line width is within 10 microns. Founded in 1999, Huagong Technology is a leading semiconductor equipment manufacturing and integration service provider in China, committed to providing advanced equipment and solutions for the global chip manufacturing industry. This breakthrough in the field of high-end wafer laser cutting equipment of Huagong Technology is of great significance to China's semiconductor industry. This breakthrough marks the improvement of China's technological strength and innovation capabilities in the field of semiconductor manufacturing equipment. In the past, China's semiconductor manufacturing equipment mainly relied on imports, which restricted the development of the domestic semiconductor industry. The successful breakthrough of Huagong technology means that China can independently develop and produce high-end wafer laser cutting equipment, which fills the gap in domestic semiconductor manufacturing equipment and promotes the independent development of China's semiconductor industry. And it has improved the technical level and competitiveness of China's semiconductor manufacturing. Wafer laser cutting is a vital part of the chip manufacturing process, which has a direct impact on the quality and performance of the chip. Huagong technology has greatly improved the quality and technology of wafer cutting, which will further improve the level of China's chip technology and improve the competitiveness of the domestic semiconductor industry. It is worth mentioning that Huagong technology is still developing the third-generation semiconductor wafer laser modification and cutting equipment, and it is expected to launch new products in July next year. Some people may think that it is just a breakthrough in the core technology of the wafer cutting step, and other problems such as lithography machines, thin film deposition, and heat treatment equipment are still unsolved. It can only be said that there is no way to reach 1,000 miles without accumulating steps, and any success and breakthrough depends on accumulation. The chip manufacturing industry involves a wide range of industries, and not everything can be done overnight, and the chip industry is highly dependent on globalization. If China relies on its own strength, the effort and time spent by China may be several times that of foreign manufacturers. Therefore, any breakthrough is the result of the hard work of Chinese scientific researchers, and it is worthy of respect. No matter how strong foreign technology is, it has been accumulated bit by bit. No matter how precise the EUV lithography equipment is, it still relies on 100,000 parts and more than 5,000 suppliers. Huagong technology has solved the problem of high-end wafer laser cutting equipment, so I believe that other domestic manufacturers will also accumulate in their respective fields, overcome core technologies, and contribute their own strength to promote the development of domestic chips. If you agree with the point of view of this video, please like it, welcome to Forward, leave a message and share. Thank you for watching this video. You can share your idea in the comment below. What do you think of this video?